feisty. All of the bees are pretty active today. It's just so gorgeous out. And the next 2 days are going to be very active as well. On Friday, I will be putting on my bee cozies for the winter, because after Saturday, it's looking pretty cold from then on out. So these are the hives here at Honeycomb Cottage. Already for overwintering, I have added mouse guards. I have added a quilt box, which has ventilation holes, a layer of screening, a cotton layer, and then pine shavings with 2 insulation foam on top of that, and their hive lid. They'll also get an entrance reducer and their bee jacket, or bee cozy, or Wellington cover. Each of these small boxes on the bottom has stored over 80 pounds of honey, which is what keeps them fed throughout the winter. Gorgeous out. Thanks for watching.